Hello, I am Neha and today I am kicking off our generative AI series and starting with every CXO should understand the business benefits of generative AI. In this series, we will cover what Gen AI is, its common use cases across industries, as well as industry specific use cases. Then we will cover prompt engineering, fine tuning, and hands on project building. And the important thing is that we are going to cover important model providers as well as hyperscaler services like Google Gemini, AWS Bedrock, Azure in this series. Generative AI is evolving at record speed and remains among the top priorities for CXO. This was echoed in Forbes' June 2023 survey of over 2,300 C suite leaders. Near 97% believe generative AI will be transformative and a game changer for their company and industry. Right now, 44% are making big investments. Every C level executives are keeping eyes and learning the business value and risks to take decisions for their organization. Why? They need to change faster than ever before in today's environment. Various research firms confirmed that ChatGPT is the fastest growing consumer application in history. ChatGPT took only 5 days to reach 1 million users, while its closet Instagram took 2.5 months, and Spotify took 5 months to reach 1 million users. And others you can see. Generative AI has become a top priority for the C suite and has sparked tremendous innovation in new tools beyond foundation models. Demand is increasing for generative AI in many industries, such as marketing and sales, healthcare, life sciences, legal, financial services, and the public sector. You can see generative AI at the top of the Gartner hype cycle. It signifies a phase of intense excitement and expectation. It's a critical time for technology leaders and decision makers to exercise caution, conduct thorough assessments, and manage expectations to navigate the journey towards maturity and productivity. Gartner forecasts that between 2023 and 2027, $3 trillion will be spent on AI, and Gen AI represents 36% of total AI spending. As organizations across industries begin deploying Gen AI, many enterprises are already realizing cost savings, growth, and cross enterprise efficiency and productivity improvements. It's not only Gartner, various other firms like McKinsey, Forbes having similar views. Gen AI represents a powerful new technology that comes with a lot of responsibility. Educating the workforce is essential to apply Gen AI effectively and responsibly. Developers and code writers, for example, will also benefit from Gen AI because it will allow them to describe entire applications through natural language conversations, generate code, refine application logic, and create unit tests. And by taking over standardized repetitive tasks, Gen AI will enable employees to focus on more complex aspects of their work. This means soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, and communication will become increasingly important. In the future, skills in areas such as data science, machine learning, and natural language processing will be in high demand. Gen AI is in its very early days, but use of Gen AI is already widespread. McKinsey and Company conducted a survey in mid-April 2023. The findings from the survey show that Gen AI has captured interest across the business population. Individuals across regions, industries, and seniority levels are using Gen AI for work and outside of work. 79% of all respondents say they've had at least some exposure to Gen AI, either for work or outside of work, and 22% say they are regularly using it in their own work. While reported use is quite similar across seniority levels, it is highest among respondents working in the technology sector and those in North America. What's more, 40% of those reporting AI adoption at their organizations say their companies expect to invest more in AI overall thanks to generative AI, and 28% say generative AI use is already on their board's agenda. The business functions most commonly harnessing these newer tools mirror those where AI use is most prevalent overall. These include marketing and sales, product and service development, and service operations such as customer care and back office support. In fact, the single largest category of functions where Gen AI was being used as of April 2023 was marketing and sales at 14%, followed by product service development at 13%. Generative AI can explore many possible designs of an object to find the right or most suitable match. It not only augments and accelerates design in many fields, it also has the potential to invent novel designs or objects that humans may have missed otherwise. Marketing and media are already feeling the impacts of generative AI. Gartner expects By 2025, 30% of outbound marketing messages from large organizations will be synthetically generated, up from less than 2% in 2022. By 2030, a major blockbuster film will be released with 90% of the film generated by AI from text to video, from 0% of such in 2022. By 2026, over 100 million humans will engage robo-colleagues to contribute to enterprise work. And by 2026, conversational artificial intelligence AI deployments within contact centers will reduce agent labor costs by $80 billion. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You can continue here next video of the series What is Generative AI and Where It Fits. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video soon. For any query regarding this video, please drop a mail to mail IDs displayed in the screen and mention the video caption in the mail.